Hi, it's been a while, but I'm back with the Summer Road Trip 2020. It's been a weird summer. Actually, it's been a weird year. But me and my friends decided to do a small road trip, just 4 days. But always being careful. I think these 4 days were really productive actually, because believe me, I had time to learn the art of wasting time this year. And some days away with my friends was just what I needed, because my 21-year-old self that wants to travel planned the whole summer. That didn't happen.
What's up, I'm good.
Hello.
At least I got to be with my close friends. We always wanted to go on another trip since we've been to France together, and I guess we thought there was no better time than now. But it's out of our own country.
What's up, bitch?
Even though everything seemed to go wrong before we got on the trip, like cars breaking down, we made it in the end.
What the fuck is going on here, guys?
It's a party. Que é mal passado e que não vem.
Even though we could not do a lot. We got to be by the sea, which is easy in Portugal. And it's been the simple things that made this summer, like going to Nazaré and watch waves and smelling the sea.
Go, Alex.
And going to São Martinho beach and listen to music. Even though it was cold.
That fucking beach has been there for hours. She's just waiting by the sea, like a Linda Gilbert.
You have to drink when there's an elevator scene, a pop song starts, Anastasia says Mr. Grey, he says Anna, and when she bites her lip, which is a lot.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Bob.
In our third day, we got to go to Batalha, which was kind of magical. We could not stop thinking about Harry Potter while we were there.
Use a mask, bitches.
Mas não há nada aqui, pessoal. É só um prédio velho.
Look at the beach.
Itália had this beautiful outdoor garden, and even though we thought it was small before we got there, it wasn't, and all the places had this gothic feel.
Periods.
There was some fishes. How you doing?
Ok,
It's a
se vocês
pig.
quiserem ir pro carro,
E aguinhas?
Oh, and we found this restaurant that was amazing. We ate pizza and we thought it was too much at the beginning, but we ended up eating everything.
There's a fire.
The castle in Portimão was really nice to visit. It was interesting, really small, but with a good aesthetic. Even though there was a fire close by, we got to see everything. The rock. We have the well.
3, 2, 1.
And it was a fail. What's up? What's up?
Shut up.
And at night, we went to eat some ice cream and play volleyball at the beach because we thought that no one was there. So what did you guys think about?
Slotomania. I liked it.
You like the boys? On the last day we went to Ovid, which is beautiful and has this medieval charm and little traditional houses. We got to drink ginger liquor at one of the cafes along the main street and also got to test our fear of heights. friends. How do I start? I'm going to get all feelings and emotion in this weird monologue thing. And even though I know they're going to see this, but I'm happy to have these old friends in my life. We have known each other for years now, and even though it's been years, it's good to just get together randomly.
And this is it. This is black chocolate. Did you like it? Did you like it? Did you like it? Did you like it? You guys are all weird.
This summer has been confusing, messy, and lonely sometimes, but things will get easier, I think. I don't know how things are going to be in the future. Hope you guys are doing fine during this weird, awful adventure. Thank you for watching, and